wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best clay cooking pots. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the durable ahua stockpot is made from high-temperature ceramic that's oven-safe to 600 degrees Celsius. Its snug-fitting lid sports an elegant leafy pattern and has a built-in steam vent to prevent water from overflowing. It's refrigerator-safe and has an easy-to-clean finish. However, note that the lid can't be used in the oven. At number 9, these vyatka ceramics ramekins are great for individual appetizers and desserts. They come with an oven fork that helps you lift and carry them. They're sold in sets of 3 and 6 and make a good gift for serious entertainers, but they're not for stovetops or open flames. Coming in at number 8 in our list. You will need to season it before first use, but the peregrino terracotta cazuela is a good choice for lots of traditional Spanish and Mexican dishes, including paella. Featuring a 6-cup capacity, it has a 9.5-inch diameter with 2-inch sides. It's handmade by artisans with handles on the sides for carrying. However, it doesn't come with a lid. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for clay cooking pots, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, ideal for busy people, the vitaclay slow cooker incorporates an all-natural clay cooking pot. It has an ample 8-cup capacity and a 12-hour programmable timer that lets you prepare nutritious family meals in advance. It has no chemical coatings on it and offers 4 cooking modes, but note that the pot needs soaking before use. Moving up our list to number 6. Made in India, the artisanal Shabana art potteries yogurt pot is specifically designed to keep curd cool and fresh without refrigeration. The unglazed interior allows excess water to be absorbed and evaporated thanks to its porous properties. It comes as a pack of 2 with a 12-ounce capacity. However, it has to be washed by hand. Halfway up our list at number 5. The versatile kinto kakomi donabe lets you simmer and steam thanks to its removable tray. It's safe for halogen stoves and gas and has a special coating on the bottom that allows it to work with induction cooktops too. It sports a Japanese design and is available in 2 sizes, but it is rather expensive. At number 4, handcrafted in Tunisia, the Raphael rozen tagine is perfect for cooking moist, succulent meats and vegetables. It has a conical lid that collects evaporation and then drips the juices back onto your food, maintaining the flavors and nutritional value. It includes a recipe booklet and there's a good choice of colors and patterns available. However, the glazing is uneven. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The materials used in the crazy Korean cooking stone bowl are free of lead, arsenic, and cadmium, as you would expect. But unlike many, it's glaze-fired twice and dishwasher safe, and you can choose either a lidded or non-lidded version. It comes with a trivet and is great for bibimbap. It has a rich brown finish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for clay cooking pots, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the ancient cookware chamba can be used in your oven and is safe for glass, electric and gas stovetops. This one's made in central Colombia and boasts a fairly generous 4-quart capacity. It includes detailed care instructions. And coming in at number 1 in our list, handcrafted in Germany, the romertopf by reston Lloyd holds enough to feed 4 to 6 people. It provides the best of both worlds thanks to a glazed bottom and unglazed top, making it easy to clean but still capable of circulating steam well. It's large enough to roast a turkey and sports a decorative embossed exterior. It's safe for microwaves. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for clay cooking pots, or simply click beneath this video.